spread to other countries, like including the USA and other countries. So, despite Wuhan and other Chinese city being quarantined, the COVID-19 had spread to almost more than 70 countries internationally, right? So the
Yes,
first
sir.
question, what is coronavirus? So coronavirus is a virus that is found in animal and rarely can be transmitted from animal to human and then spread person to person. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in addition to COVID-19, other human coronavirus have also included. For example, the MERS virus, which is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. Then before this, another virus came, that is SARS, SARS, okay, which is severe acute, we are saying, like respiratory syndrome, which first occurred in the Guangdong province in southern China. So China, we can say China is the father of all type of deadly virus, right?
Yes, sir.
The next thing, what are the symptoms of a coronavirus? So the COVID-19 symptom range from mild to severe. It takes 2 to 14 days after exposure from symptom to develop. Okay, what are the common symptoms? Fever, right?
Yes,
Fever,
Yes.
then cough, shortness of breath, like having difficulty in taking breath, then chills or repeated shaking with chill, then muscle pain, headache, sore throat, or new loss of taste or smell, runny nose, right? These are the common what? Symptoms of this virus. Okay. And what causes a coronavirus infection? So humans first get a coronavirus from contact with animal first. Yes, that's the origin. Then it can spread from human to human. So the health official do not know what animal caused COVID-19. Can anybody now can tell me from which animal this virus infected to man?
Uh, from snake.
Some people are saying snakes and some are saying bats also and pig also. So this virus can be spread through what? Contact with certain bodily fluid such as a droplet in a cup. That's why the government what? Advise the Indian citizen not to split outside openly, right? Or it might also be caused by touching someone, an infected person, touch, and then touching your hand, then you touch your mouth, then nose and eyes. So the most sensitive part is what? Our nose, mouth, eyes, and ear. This is the area through where this virus can develop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
Yes,
if
sir.
we talk about everybody, if you talk about how the diagnosis system will work, diagnosis means treatment. So is any proper treatment invented now for this coronavirus?
No, sir.
Recently the government
No,
what
last,
continuously opening the plasma bank, right?
yes, sir.
Some
yes,
days back we also learned what is plasma therapy or not. So before going to the doctor or office, okay, there are a lot of things we have to take care. So here what happened? No, the only way to get away from this virus is safety and awareness, right?
Yes, sir.
So for that we can practice social distancing. Then we have to avoid people who are sick or meeting in large group. So then we have to stay home. If you are sick, then you have to cover your cough with a tissue or cough into your upper sleeve or elbow. Do not cough into your hand. Then you have to wash your hand often, soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after going to the bathroom and before eating and after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing. So if a soap and water are not readily available, then you can use alcohol-based sanitizer, with at least 60% alcohol. What is the quantity of the alcohol in sanitizer?
Sir, 60%.
So you have to always wash your hand with the soap and water if hands are visibly dirty. Or you have to avoid touching your mouth, nose or eyes. And one more thing I noticed that now the soap company and the sanitizer company, now they are the king of business. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have seen in the initial days of coronavirus when it's outbreak, the sanitizer price is like what? The price is very high, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Gradually the price reduced, so they are looking into their business aspect. They're not looking for the welfare, and a lot of advertisements are also going on TV, and the another side the people are dying regularly, right? So as per the report, currently no vaccine or treatment for COVID-19. The symptoms of a coronavirus usually go away on their own. If symptoms feel worse than a common cold, or then you have to contact a doctor, right? So those who are rich, they can might survive with this coronavirus, but those who are very weak, their immune system is weak, then they are not able to face, right? Fine. So this is about a little bit about the coronavirus, and we are watching the news from the television every day. What now? Orissa every day is crossing the 1,000 number, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Every day. I think today also it's around 1,500 something. As is, if I am not incorrect,
1503.
1,503. So still a lot of awareness need to be happen, whether by the government or any other people, because without safety, without this awareness, now what happen? There are severe problem are going to, and this is the new thing that we experience. And one more thing, like those who are preparing for different government jobs, now the government, our government recently declared what? Up to 2 years there is no job,
Yes.
there is no vacancy. So again it is changes the mind or the mind condition. Now here what happened? The human monotony totally changed now. And those who are academician, like those who are reading, for them also it's a problem. It's not only killed people but also making people mentally ill. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the worst. This is the worst scenario that we can say that we are watching now, that we are facing now. Before this, there were no outbreak like this. So if you stay away with it, we have to save ourselves. So let's have a discussion with different people, like what ideas do you know, then you can have the conversation. As it is a conversation class, so I will invite two participants, and they are going to have a normal talk, like normally we talk about different general things. So now here the topic is what? Coronavirus. Let's see who know what about the coronavirus. Okay, first I will invite Sunita Sahu and Rahul Pradhan. Okay, Sunita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. And what about you, Rahul Pradhan? You there? Okay, Rahul is not responding, so I will choose another person. Subrat Kumar Malik.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Subrat, please do have a conversation with Sunita Sahu regarding coronavirus. Everybody's are getting max to max 2 to 3 minutes for the conversation. Now your time start now. Please go ahead. Okay, how to start a conversation? By saying hello or hi to each other?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
Hello, Subrat. How are you?
I'm fine. You?
Yeah, I'm also. Let's start the topic coronavirus. First, ask you the question is what are the symptoms of COVID-19?
The symptom of COVID-19 is common cold fever and
Okay.
breathing and difficult in
Okay. Tell me something COVID-19 for prevent some some ideas like what to do for COVID-19.
mm,
Listen, nowadays we are going to very difficult time for coronavirus. So how to do something for coronavirus to prevent?
coronavirus.
Simply, we are stay at home and stay safe. So, tell me something. What are you doing in the coronavirus in your home?
Mm, always hand sanitizer and keep wear the mask
Okay.
and distance between other people.
Okay. Mm. Okay, tell me how to spread the coronavirus to other people.
Mm, and and it is just spread to thoughts in other positive people, corona and
Okay, what is your question, Sunita? How it spread to other?
Uh, yes, sir. How it spreads to other in coronavirus, sir? How to spread other people?
Question is how this disease spread among people, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Subrad, you have the answer. Please respond to her. In a conversation, there is no words. If you don't know the answer, sorry, I have no idea. Then she will tell you if she know the answer.
Okay, sir. I just tell the answer. Sometimes it spreads from person to other people, like among to close and contact about 6 foot and 2 meters. So the virus spread by other people, and when someone infected with the virus, uh, because they are going to some fever and fever, cough, and tiredness. So we are always distant. Social distance is more important to the coronavirus. So that's it.
Okay, Subrad, do you have any question to Sunita regarding this topic? Look, the conversation must be versa. If the first person asks 2 3 questions, the second one is also going to ask a question. Okay, Subrat, what happened? There's some more questions. What happened, Sunita? Is it over?
Yes, sir. That's it.
Okay, fine. I will ask the next a person to have the conversation. Now the say Rajeshwari. Next participant, Rasmita Sahu and Rajashri Barik. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Sir, namaskar.
Yes, Rajashri, you there? Okay, Rasmita madam, are you there?
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Please have a conversation on coronavirus with Rajashri.
Actually, just we are discuss about coronavirus, sir.
Yes, yes. Please have a conversation with Rajashri regarding coronavirus.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, Rajastri.
Hello, Didi. How are you?
I am fine. And how are you?
Very well.
Do you know about corona, COVID-19 now epidemic in our society?
Yes, Didi. You better know for me, but because you are a medical staff.
Yes. With in TV channel, in news, every time it comes in everyday news to all of us. Stay at home and safe. First, and wear masks and hand sanitizing and hand wash repeatedly. And when you go outside and take precaution, wear masks and when come back to home, wash your hand and wash your clothes.
How does the coronavirus disease spread, Didi?
By sneezing, it's a viral. So by sneezing in air also, and when it comes to in body, it coughing, sneezing, rise temperature, tasteless to tongue, and difficult to breathing. The symptoms are occurs
To person to person.
person to person. Every time you keep distance uh, 1 meter or 2 hands.
What is the situation in your area?
It's now control. Every person stay at home. Minimum interruption.
You suffer from lockdown?
Yes, yes. Now I am at home. We we are suffering lockdown. What about your area?
In my
in my district there are a lot of cases, but in my area there are a little case. But now we are all safe.
In which place you stay?
Khordha district, Harikama. There are some little cases, not issue, but
So in this period, you every time warm saline gargling 3 to 4 times in a day, and keep yoga
yes, Didi.
and steam inhalation also, and stay at home and safe.
Symptoms, Didi. Can you speak about some symptoms about coronavirus?
Symptoms.
Yes.
Sometimes nowadays symptoms may be have or not be. There's some cold, sneezing, difficult airway, difficult to breathing.
Some cases were not seeing the symptoms.
Diarrhea also, fever, headache, diarrhea. Much.
Okay, my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can ask this question also, like, can COVID-19 be caught from a person who has no symptom? Or how can we protect others and ourselves if we don't know who is infected? And there are many more questions are there. So asking the common question like what? We have to ask some other question also, like can the children be affected with the virus? Or there are more questions are there. So please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Older are mainly affected more above 60
Mhm.
years, and those are having diabetic and any disease, hypertension, they are only suffering in this coronavirus.
Fine. So is your conversation of you? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
over?
Yes, sir.
Or you still have some more question or answer session? Oh, your voice is breaking. Okay, no problem. I'm inviting two more participants.
Yes, sir.
The next participant, Tulsi Raut Roy and Priyadarshini Behra.
Sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Hi, Pooja.
Hello. Hi.
How are you? Hello.
Fine. Yes, Tulsi. Tell me. Hello.
Okay. In which area you are staying, and how was their situation?
I'm staying in Bangalore, and your situation is a little bit good, but not not good that because daily cases are increased here.
Then
And
which virus? Hello. Huh?
yes, tell me.
Is there anything you should not do for prevention of coronavirus?
Once again.
What are you doing for prevention of COVID-19?
Yes. For here, don't go outside, and if I go outside, then after come I wash
After
my
returning,
after returning I wash my hand 20 seconds, and when I go outside, then I bring with me sanitizer, and always use mask. So
Okay, in which country was COVID-19 first reported?
it came from China, from Wuhan country, Wuhan city.
Okay, what is COVID-19?
COVID-19 called coronavirus. Actually, it is a viral, which is came from China, Wuhan city, in a meat market, and it is found in animal. One animal it is spread to animal to another person, and then it spread person to person. Is there a vaccine, drugs, or treatment? Do you know?
Yes, nowadays only flu-like symptom we are using the medicine that's are using for coronavirus treatment like paracetamol, azithromycin, and doxycycline.
Yeah.
Then
And
today, government declared that Odisha tested Covaxin in some hospital. So in first stage, it is. After second stage, government will declare that vaccine is success or not.
can children or adults catch COVID-19 easily? Other person also.
Older and children are getting easily, and those who have any disease already, then they are prone to infection if they have any disease.
But one question: what does it mean to self-isolate? Actually, self-isolate.
You should stay in a home in which you should isolated in a room which is well ventilated with attached bathroom. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that is self-isolation.
Okay. And most important symptoms are some fever, cough, shortness of breath, tightness in the chest,
Yeah.
body itches, feeling tired. This one, no?
Yes, flu-like symptom all and shortness of breath and symptoms are attached now, vomiting, pain, abdomen, and sleeplessness. Yes, sir, that is.
you see, both of you, fever are the common disease, right? So
Yes, sir.
how to confirm that whether it is normal fever or it's related to corona? How to distinguish?
Actually,
That
sir,
is also a common.
we should take a history from patient and first we are taking a sample for rapid test. In rapid test, if patient is positive, then we should advise for rapid test.
Mhm.
Artificial test.
Actually, sir, in these days you cannot define in normal fever or COVID fever.
So normally, how many days it took to make a confirm report whether a person is infected purely or not?
3 to
After 7 days.
if 3 to 4 days. If a patient contacted with COVID patient, then it gets 3 to 4 days for sign and symptom and for a positive report.
But there are rumors are there, those who are staying in quarantine, they declare and get the report of negative, and again they are when tested, then again they are positive. So what is the mystery?
Actually, sir,
It's possible,
or
sir.
too
It's
much
possible.
testing are done, so that's why maybe some mistake happen.
Some symptoms occurs later, sir. So he after some days he get positive.
Okay, so why there is among people? Like everybody know, if someone burn, then they have to die. Then why this fairness? I have seen many case, like what is that? It's a very emotional case. Like it had teacher when he died, but his son not received the negative report, and all because of that, no one is coming to the burning ritual, and they are taking care the dead body with the bike, and then they burn. Can we say that with the fear of corona, we are also killing the humanity?
No, sir,
No,
it's
sir.
no, not only fear, it's happening, sir. Actually, it is a infectious disease, highly infectious disease. If family member or relatives are attached that person, then they are getting the virus. That's why all are avoiding it. It's a
So is
non-humanity
there
case, but
okay? Can it be spread from a dead body? Like if somebody is die with coronavirus, if I touch him, is this virus is going to come into me?
yes, sir. If you are not protecting yourself, if you are not wearing gloves and PPE, then you can contacted, infected.
Okay. At the end, question to both of you. Can we say this is the end of world? Can we say we will come out from this and when? Or can we say that this virus is making people mentally weak?
Yes, sir. All are mentally weak. All doctors, paramedical, and all general people also. All are in fear. Some people are
Actually,
coming and
once affected in coronavirus, the immunity is increased. Then everything is normal.
Okay. Let's see. Or is the World War III is going to take place?
No.
As we know that today India received five new, what is that? New aircraft, war warcraft, Rafale.
don't know, sir.
To
Actually,
back the
if vaccine will not come, then what happened to us? Don't know. God knows.
you see that in India, anyhow, we Indian people are very laborious. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We Indian people are doing every handheld job in our hand, whereas the American, they are using a machine for everything.
Yes, sir.
So they are not doing that much hard labor. So we can say the immune system of Indians are stronger than American. And
Yes,
we
sir.
see the cases of death in America, it's very high as compared to India and other country.
They are colder environments, sir.
Mm-hmm.
That's why they are suffering a lot.
Mm-hmm. But India is still suffering anyhow. We see that everyone got affected with this virus. It's new to us. It might become a history. Like in our generation, we are facing this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more thing is there. Okay, I will not give the chance to you people. You guys are talking a lot. Let me invite two more. Then I will tell them the question. Okay. New participant Kranti Sahu and Payal Mishra. Are you there, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Kranti is there. Payal Mishra, are you there? Payal Mishra, please respond to me. Okay, she is not responding. Let me ask one more person. Julie Rani Das, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Julie Rani and Kranti, please have a discussion. So before your discussion took place, let me ask you a question to both of you. Is education is highly affected with this virus?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If it is yes, then what is the solution? Can I say the online teaching is the only one solution, or we don't have any alternatives? Kranti,
Sir,
what is your
now
point of view? Okay, I'm
Online
coming
class
to
is
you,
only.
Ranidas. Kranti, you tell me, can we say online system is the only one, is the best one, or we can do something else without online?
No, sir. Online class is the only way during this situation, because nowadays the infection is increasing. But when it will get low, then at that time in classroom also we can
But the
participate
thing is
in our
that
class.
if look, you see that everyone is not having an Android set with internet connectivity. You see,
Yes, sir. Yes,
in
sir.
private school and institution also, in only the class is going on. In government school, is the class is going on
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
in in government school. But in my village, I have not seen anyone. Those who are taking admission in government school, they are not able to take the class due to the mobile. They don't have mobile Android phone, and if they are even having, then it's require at least 3 GB or 2 GB of data, which is going to be what, 30 into 2, around 60
Yes,
GB,
sir.
or let's say more GB of data, which cost around again 6 to
Yes,
700.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
is the parents are ready to bear those price?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's also a
Sir, in
question, no?
rural area, they are suffering a lot.
Like many of our friends are not able
Yes,
to
sir.
take
Yes.
class due to the network issue also.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Mhm. So
So
can we
almost
say
student
education hamper
are
totally? Yes.
Yes, yes, sir. Totally.
You are saying something, Julurandas.
sir, almost students have no Android phone, so they are suffering educational. They are not uh, uh, attend online class uh, due
Mm-hmm.
to corona. So almost children students are suffering.
Yes, sir. Sir, online, those students are attending the online classes. The for adults, it is right, but for children, it affects more
Mm-hmm.
So
because
online
they are
class
giving
is
more times,
suitable
1 hour,
higher
2 hours, 3 hours
education.
to the mobile or online classes. They are
Spend
mentally
more
affected.
time with the mobile. Exactly. Okay, please have your conversation. There are many questions we can raise. Like for example, if someone is about to give a bath to a newborn baby, is that virus is also going to spread to the new one?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can it come from mother to her child?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So okay, now both of you have a conversation for 2 minutes. Kranti and Jhuli Rani Das. Please have your conversation.
Hi.
Hello,
Uh,
how are you doing during this lockdown?
I am very suffering because I cannot go my home. So I am very suffering during lockdown time.
In where now you are living?
Bangalore.
Oh, do you feel panic?
Yes.
No, we need not to be panic because all will be well. So for our self-awareness or for individual social awareness, what is the preventive measures we should adopt? Can you please tell me?
First thing, we all are obey our government guidelines. Always use masks. Hand wash after returning home by soap and hand wash. We will eat healthy food, need precaution like drink always kada. Our government also our
Okay. Is it true that season affects more, or season is playing the main role in coronavirus spreading?
no.
Some people are saying if the climate is become more cold, the coronavirus will spread heavily or increasing the way of infection.
Totally, this is not right, but almost it is true.
Yes. Please, you
Can
can ask
I
any
ask
question.
you a question?
Yes.
Why do you need to lock down during the coronavirus pandemic?
Sorry.
Why do we need to lock down during the coronavirus pandemic?
That means what will we do in coronavirus during
Yes,
lockdown?
I want to say lockdown is the only solution to
Okay.
control coronavirus.
Yes. In from my opinion, it is the best way because there are 4 lockdown applied in our country. 2 unlocks are also held, but when shutdown or lockdown will open or are opening, the peoples are moving here and there, and they feel the coronavirus left from our country. They are moving freely. So shutdown or lockdown is beneficial for this coronavirus. Not strictly, some like vegetable shop or our necessaries, which those are necessary for us, that should open. Then otherwise it will.
I am
Okay,
agree with
thank you
you.
both of you. You had a lovely discussion. Let me invite some more participants. Soumyaranjan Mishra and Krishna Subhasis Pradhan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Krishna Subhasis is available. What about Soumyaranjan Mishra? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Both of you, please have a discussion. Then we are having a video to watch at the end.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, Sanam.
Good evening.
Speak
How is
louder,
your
both of you. Have you not? Please speak louder. Have you not taken the evening snacks, both of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You are the future
Yes,
of
sir.
India and you are glooming. Now you are drowsy in the class.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So,
Soumya,
Soumya,
you there?
Yes, sir.
Ah, very good. Have the spirit.
how is your day, Soumya?
Hello.
Hello.
Ask
Hello.
question.
How is
Please
your
ask me
day?
the question. Fine. The day was
Okay.
very nice today.
Okay. So, can you tell me this virus, coronavirus, where it comes from?
This is a coronavirus come from the China when they are making some virus in their laboratory. The coronavirus was let's see.
Do you think is this controversy in China?
Yes.
Do you think in this pandemic situation, this virus is in China? There is controversy about this coronavirus.
Ask me again. I cannot hear. Your
Do you
voice is
think?
cracking.
Hello, do you hear me?
Uh-huh. Yes, yes.
Do you think there is controversy in about this virus in China?
Soumya, are you able to hear the
Hello.
question or not?
Sir, his voice is cracking.
Okay, he is asking that is there is any controversy? Is there is any controversy of this virus corona in China?
Yes, sir.
Normally, what happened? America's that president is telling that China virus in the initial stage. So
Yes, sir.
there is a controversy between what? America and China. America all the time targeting China to be the father of this virus, is blaming from the starting days. And now the relation between China and America is very bad now. So his question is there is any controversy on regards to this coronavirus at China? Soumya Ranjan, are you hearing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your answer? Is there is any controversy in China or they are happy by sending a virus to the whole world and making people's lives fall in danger?
Sir, from them they are happy. From I mean to say that they are happy for sending the virus to other countries. For from his countries they are not happy.
But in China also people died from this virus. It is not like that the people of China not died.
Yes, sir.
In China also people died or not?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Okay, everybody, I'm doing an experiment as I'm not having a laptop at the village, so I'm taking class in the mobile itself. So let me play a video. Just let me know is it audible true or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Screen is not visible.
Yes,
Visible,
sir.
sir.
Visible, sir.
let's see the voice is coming or not. Is it audible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
do
now the
who will see the
video is going on, but the sound is not coming. You are saying.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
Yes,
video
sir.
is stop, sir.
Now video is stopped, but the sound is coming when I am playing.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, are you able to see the subtitle?
Yes, sir.
yes sir, but I don't see the full screen sir.
Sir, full screen
See
करते
the subtitle. Please go through the subtitle, everybody.
Yes sir.
सर किसी भी देखा जो नहीं
देखा हो तो किंतु सुना जाए
Okay, okay.
Sir, पूरा
So
black.
is it not visible
कोई देखा
also?
जाए.
No, visible, sir. Not audible.
Yes sir.
Sir, not visible.
Actually, what happened? Yes. On network, they are able to see, but the audio is not coming. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will do one thing. I will do one thing, everybody. I will share the video in the group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So everybody will see a chance. Everybody will get a chance to see the video. Why? Because he's a what is that? He's an exceptional person. As I know that his thought level is not same like us. Okay, how many of you are watching this person video on YouTube?
I am, sir.
I sir.
Okay, what is the best part with this person? No, actually, we must follow this person. He's a legendary leader who is doing a lot of things for the nation by plantation, by giving different type of yoga from. And I have seen one video how the people are living in his ashram. So he started a journey of saving Godavari river also. He visited more than what thousands universities and educational trusts where he delivered the lecture. The best part of this person is what calmness and patience.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anyhow, we had a discussion today regarding the coronavirus. So let's hope for the best. We can't do anything, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we can do what? We can be a part of this fighter. We are right now the fighter of this virus.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's better to take care of ourselves and our family. Then only we can have dreams to live. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We have seen now here we have to encourage ourselves by engaging our mind in different things. Now the world is not stopped, still the people are working. Thanks God that we are in a safe place. Like those who are the daily worker, they are stocked in other state, they are not able to come. You see that there are many cases are coming. So in this time only we can what? You must have patience. Without patience we can't do anything. So this is a top time in our life. So by forgetting this pandemic, we have to secure ourselves and we must spend our time with right activity. And also we must do some work for the social welfare also. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay, so today we had a discussion about this coronavirus, everybody, and we know the situation, what is happening around the world. But I am very unhappy with the media people. Why? Because all the time they are doing what? Whenever you watch TV, what you are getting? Tell me.
News, breaking news, sir.
These people are doing very serious job. Every day they are saying, let's see again 250 cases in Punjab, this and that. So all the days what happened? They are making us more fearer to fearer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
And no, they are giving the information. I am
They are
agree.
giving information, awareness also.
Yes.
That's why you stay at home and
No, but some of the TV channel, I'm not unhappy with all the television. Like those who are giving information, they are broadcasting. We know they are the fourth pillar in our government, in our democracy. I hardly accepted it, but thing is that they are focusing on a particular person means it worst now. Some days ago, the Amitabh Bachchan family got infected with the virus,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
So don't
sir.
you think there is a hypocrisy going on? There is a like what happened? They are people of celebrity. So
Yes,
they are
sir.
so say there is a funny part happen. At morning 8 o'clock today, Abhishek took breakfast, and 2 o'clock he had a lunch. Then 4 o'clock he talked with Aishwarya. Don't you think these things are rubbish?
yes, sir. These things are
Yes,
obvious.
sir.
You are agree with my point or not? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
can we focus only one family? Is there is no any other family in India? Is the people are not suffering? Yes. So some of the TV channel they are doing this for TRP, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So it has both the side, like a coin. It's a good side and bad side. But let's hope everybody is trying. And we thanks to the doctors team, particularly or the police department and the other social worker, those who are what happened. They are right now the real warrior. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
first priority we are giving to the border people. When it's come to us, now we are feeling fear. When otherwise, what happens? Some of the people are not giving respect to the army people, those who are taking care of our LOC and border. Now we must give respect to the doctors. Why? Because you see, many doctors lost their life only with the treatment of corona. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are saying that no, sir, doctors are getting high salary, they have to die. Can we say like this?
No.
Normally, what do we see? Normally, a doctor means what is coming in our mind? Oh my God, one patient, 5,000 or 20,000, this or that. We are thinking or not?
Yes, yes.
Like they are learning by giving 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs education, they are spending, then they become doctor. Now it's time to take revenge. I have given 20
They
lakhs
are
means I
working
must
24
learn.
hours, sir.
Their parents are dreaming. No, now what happened? Their parents are now thinking, I have taken a wrong decision to make my son as a doctor because what happened? Now they have to go.
Coronavirus.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now the parents
Yes,
are
sir.
thinking, I must make my son or daughter into another profession so that they will get, they will not live in a life threat. Now the doctors are working, but we have to thank our doctor of India, those who are now working day or night. I have seen a lady doctor. She's leaving her just 5 month baby at home with his father, and she's working, doing a full duty by wearing. There is advertisement called famous also. So this is called real social work.
Yes, sir.
So they are taking risks. They are taking risks and they are ready to give life to for us. So in while when somebody become doctor, they are taking a oath, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the oath? Whatever the things happen, I have to come out. But there are some doctor in Balangir district. I have seen at the midnight there is a pregnant lady come, and the villagers are coming along with that pregnant lady, and they are asking the doctor to come out. But when he not came out, then they burn the entire house, and the doctor family died, which is very misfortune, very unfortunate. They are sleeping inside the home. The doctors still have life. They too have family. They too have emotion. They too. We must understand that. But like what happened? A lot of fights happening in the medical. Yes.
Mm.
Right. So yesterday I have given a good moral to you everyone to how to treat people, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
How many of you seen? How many of you go through? How many of you go through the yesterday's story of the day?
Me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the story was good or not?
Yes,
Good,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So those who are not completing today's word, actually due to some household work, I have to posted the. I posted at 12 o'clock around. So those who have not submitted their speech of the day or the sentence of the day, please finish it. And I request everybody to give the examination regularly. And one more thing is that when you are giving speech, have some spirit, bring some energy into your speech. You are telling the speech like what happened. You are sleeping. So please prepare the speech properly first of all. Then talk it in an energetic way. Everybody, okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Sir, our classes is 6:30 p.m. or 7 p.m.
What tomorrow class?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow class is I think 6:30 or 7. I will confirm soon in the group.
Today class is 6-7 p.m. But start is 6:30.
No. It is 6:30. All my classes are from 6:30 to 7:30. Except the Sunday class.
Okay, sir.
All my
Actually,
classes are like I'm taking classes on Monday, then Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, Saturday will be 6:30 to 7:30, and only the Sunday one is called 5 to 6.
okay, sir.
Okay. Still, you have doubt, you can post your question in the group. I will get back to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you everybody for joining us today. We have to wind up this.